Guys, welcome back to another video. I decided to just break this down to you in a bit more detail because in the car I was giving you a full breaking news update. First of all, congratulations if you were able to jump into a Bitcoin long position yesterday. We spoke about this inverse head and shoulders pattern forming over on Bitcoin on yesterday morning's video. So if you're able to long Bitcoin, then massive congratulations. We spoke about it yesterday. We spoke about a huge potential pump incoming for Bitcoin because of the White House. We will get into all of those details in just a second. But if you want to be trading crypto and if you want to get ready to buy the coins that President Trump just posted about, that he's going to be doing a strategic Bitcoin, strategic Ethereum, and a few other coin reserves, then make sure to go to the links down in the description below. This is the time to be accumulating. Believe me, even though that some of these altcoins are up like 20% in the past 2 hours, I think it's still an incredible opportunity, and I will talk about why in exactly a few seconds. So stay tuned until the end and make sure to sign up to the cryptocurrency exchanges in the links down in the description below if you want to be accumulating these cryptocurrencies. Whilst they're still cheap, with weeks you can get anywhere between 10 to 100 USDT airdropped into your account if you use this link in the description below. And if you want to buy crypto for the first time, then Bybit allows you to buy with a bank account or a credit card or with Apple Pay. So with that said, let's go into exactly what happened, because when I posted my video just 2 hours ago, because we did a full live stream over on the Moonshow channel, here at this point, actually there was no announcement of a Bitcoin and Ethereum reserve. That came in literally a few seconds, a few like half an hour before. So now that we got the confirmation, this is what the latest tweet looks like. Let's go to Twitter. I posted it over on my personal Twitter, so make sure to follow me here on CryptoKid.com, CryptoKid.com if you want to get the latest and most breaking in the crypto industry. And of course, also you can follow the cryptocurrency alerts channel for the CryptoKids community, where I post breaking information and breaking price charts, etc. Links are down below for all of my social media. Now you can see that the initial post was the following: a US crypto reserve will elevate this critical industry after years of corrupt attacks by the Biden administration, which is why my executive order on digital assets directed the presidential working group led by crypto czar David Sachs to move forward on a crypto strategic reserve that includes XRP, Solana, and Cardano. Now, initially, all the Bitcoin maximalists got very upset because Bitcoin or Bitcoin or Ethereum wasn't mentioned. And then Trump posted the following saying, and obviously Bitcoin and Ethereum, as other valuable cryptocurrencies, will be at the heart of the reserve. I also love Bitcoin and Ethereum. So Ethereum is underperforming the most out of this list of cryptocurrencies. I think Ethereum is going to do tremendously well. We haven't even made it back to where Ethereum was prior to the announcement of this reserve, prior to the dump. So I think Ethereum is an incredible buy here. And you can long Ethereum. I longed Ethereum just a few minutes ago. These are just a replica of my positions over here on Weeks. So if you want to jump into Ethereum longs with low leverage or accumulate Ethereum, you can do so over on Weeks. It's available globally. I think Ethereum is probably the best bet out of all of these cryptocurrencies at this moment in time. Then you look at Cardano. Cardano saw a pump all the way to 1.15. It's literally exactly where we were before this huge dump, right? But this is just with a confirmation that there is going to be a Cardano strategic reserve. So it's like buying Cardano 2 weeks ago, but also knowing that there's going to be a strategic reserve. So I think it's a great one to not leverage long, but definitely accumulate into your spot holdings. So again, you can do that using the exchanges down below. I think Cardano will continue to pump, especially going into Friday, where we will have the crypto summit led by President Trump and David Sachs. So if you're not familiar with the matter, there is going to be a summit on Friday, which we spoke about yesterday. But I will tell you again, there's going to be a White House event for crypto on Friday where industry leaders, CEOs, and investors are going to attend, and President Trump himself is going to be delivering remarks. It's mentioned on this press release. So there we could see a further development of the story. David Sachs says there will be more clarification in this event that will be there on March the 7th. So that's going to be on Friday next week. I think everything will continue going up until then, and probably after that day as well. So regardless that Solana went up, what, 17%, we're still at below $200 like insane. I think Solana is a phenomenal buy. Cardano, Bitcoin, Ethereum, of course, we spoke about. So those are all good potential buys in my opinion. XRP, I'm not really touching. It's probably going to continue going further towards the upside. W pattern on the price chart, W pattern on the RSI. It will probably keep increasing in value. There's no doubt, but I'm putting my eggs into different baskets here, not specifically XRP, I would say, but I think it will continue going up in this bull market for sure. And then he mentioned about other potential cryptocurrencies. I think Dogecoin could definitely be a contender amongst those other cryptocurrencies. I think Dogecoin, probably Chainlink will be one, right? Chainlink is probably another good contender. Great buy at $17. And then you have Tron, which World Liberty Financial owns a lot of. So if you go to TRX USDT, you can see that Tron still not seeing really too big of a heavy move. When you go to World Liberty Financial, which is the Trump organization's subsidiary crypto company, right? One of their biggest holdings is Tron. That's only up 5% compared to the rest of the crypto market. So I think Tron could be another contender in this reserve. And I think Move probably is a good contender. Ondo Finance, we know Don Jr. is partnering with them potentially to tokenize real world assets onto the blockchain. So Ondo Finance is another good one. Tron is a very good one. And what else? I mean, maybe Trump Coin, right? I don't know if Trump Coin is going to be one. Would be funny if he puts Trump Coin. Trump Coin is a strategic reserve, but I think those coins for now are good ones to be buying right now. And then we'll talk about other potential ones during this week, the upcoming week on the Cryptocurrency, CryptoKit channel, and the Moonshow channel. So make sure to subscribe and destroy the like button and turn on the notification bell for breaking cryptocurrency news. So I think those are possible good contenders. You can see that the percentage chance that Trump creating a Bitcoin reserve in the first 100 days has gone up to 24% over on Polymarket. Great news. Then you have the specific wording by Trump. If you noticed, right, he didn't say stockpile, right? Because the US government has a bunch of Ethereum, has a bunch of Bitcoin. Stockpile would mean that they would just not be selling the existing cryptocurrency that the government already owns. But a reserve, a strategic reserve, is a constant, continued, frequent accumulation of these cryptocurrencies. And like I said, cryptocurrencies move in by the rumor and also by the news as well. It does both things, by the rumor and by the news. So because they're going to be constantly accumulating these cryptocurrencies, they will be continuing to do well, if that makes sense. That's just what I learned in the past 2 cycles in the crypto market. So unbelievable news. When you look at the money supply, global money supply still, compared to previous cycles, still very low. Quantitative easing will be coming in the upcoming few months, right? The Fed will lower rates. I think the M2 money supply will go up, helping altcoins. Altcoin season should also happen very soon as well. When you look into Bitcoin itself from a technical perspective, on the weekly time frame, we're now above all of the moving averages, right? If I'm not wrong, all of the moving averages are currently held by Bitcoin with this incredible weekly hammer reversal candle, very similar to the one that we printed with the Japanese yen carry trade. I think this is looking like a very bullish setup. Suddenly, all of a sudden, Ichimoku held Bitcoin very well. There is resistance at 96, but I think we can get over it very soon. Ichimoku provided support like unbelievably for Bitcoin. We're still in the cloud. I think everything is looking good. This will create a lot of pressure for other nation states to essentially put Bitcoin into their portfolios now that Trump has confirmed it. Other countries will likely follow and Bitcoin will just go stupidly higher. So this is your chance to buy. And if you want to buy Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, again, links are down in the description below if you want to support this channel. With that said, thank you so much for watching. Take care and I'll see you all on the next video very soon. As always, guys, take care and bye-bye.